Today we are going to study prefixes, suffixes, affixes and root words. Prefixes and suffixes change the meaning of a word. Prefixes, what do you mean by prefix? A prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of a word. For example, the word unhappy consists of the prefix un, which means not combined with the root or stem word happy. The word unhappy means not happy. Now, I'm going to explain the term suffixes. A suffix is a group of letters placed after the root of a word. A prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a root word. For example, un plus happy is equal to unhappy. As the same way, re plus do is equal to redo. Here, in these examples, un is a prefix, re is a prefix. That's why we form the word unhappy as a prefix and we form the word redo as a prefix. Now, in detail, I would like to explain the term prefixes. The prefix re means again. Reread means read again. Rewrite means to write again. Here, in these words, reread, here re is prefix. In the word rewrite, re is prefix. At the same way, the prefix un means not or the opposite of. For example, uncomfortable means not comfortable. Unpack means the opposite of pack. As the same way, I would like to tell you some of the examples. For example, kind, and if we want to make the prefix, the word is also formed as unkind. In this way, the prefix un means not or opposite of. Prefixes are word parts that call as a affixes that comes at the beginning of the root word or base word. For example, here is one of the example, un plus cook plus ed is equal to uncooked. Here, un is called as a prefix, cook is root word, then ed is affix, and we form the word uncooked having the prefix un. Next one example I am going to explain. For example, the prefix im, which is also from the word impossible. The second one meaning of the prefix is not. For example, impolite. Here im is prefix. Now I would like to explain the example of suffix, that is ing, or it means to be doing. For example, sing, we add the suffix ing and form the word singing. As the same way, if we add the ing in the dance, which is a root word, and form the word that called as a suffix dancing, that's why it means ing means to do or to be doing. Here are the second point I am going to explain, that is suffixes. The suffix ly means in a certain way. Quickly means in a quick way. Loudly means in a loud way. What does suddenly mean? The suffix full means full of. Colorful means full of color. Playful means full of play. What does thankful mean? Here, ly in the word quickly, ly is suffix. In the word loudly, ly is suffix. Then colorful, in the word colorful, full is suffix. Then playful, full is suffix. That's why we also form the suffixes. A suffix is a word part added to the end of a root word. For example, here is one of the example, wonder plus fool, and we form the word wonderful as a suffix. Second one example, happy plus ness, we form the word happiness. Then suffixes are word parts that call as affixes that come at the end of the root word or base word, and in prefix we uh, affix the word which comes at the beginning of the word, root word, but in suffixes we add affixes at the end of the root word or base word. That's why this is the difference of beginning and the end, which affixes, and because of these affixes which we add at the beginning or the at the end, that's why the two terms are different, that call as prefix and suffixes. For example, one of the word is here, un plus cook plus ed, we form the word uncooked. Here, cook is base word that call as a root word, un is prefix, ed is suffix, and we form the word having the suffix that is uncooked. Ed is suffix. Root words and base words. Root words and base words are the same. Root words and base words are the most basic part of a word. If you add an affix to a root word or base word, you change the meaning of the word. For example, cook is a base word. Now I'm going to explain the next one term, that is affixes. Affixes are word parts that change the meaning of a root or base word. Prefixes and suffixes are both as affixes. For example, let's see the same example of the word un plus cook plus ed. Here cook is root word, un is affix, ed is also affix, and we form the word that call as affixes, which is uncooked. In this way, today I also explain in detail the grammar part, that is prefixes, suffixes and affixes with the examples. Thank you very much.